Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we'll learn about variables and its type and also learn about how to create variables in UiPath and how to use that. So let's see. So first we discuss what is variable. So variable is a name that contains particular types of data like int, a string, double, boolean. So we we discuss one by one. So int variable contains a numeric value like 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I'm talking about a string variable, it contains a characteristic value like any name, etc. And if I'm talking about the double variable, it contains a decimal value. And if I'm talking about the boolean value variable, it contains a true or false value. So let's see how to create a variable in a UiPath. So you can see the UiPath interface here. This is the UiPath variable panel. So I am here created a many variables like name, marks, result, and a. So if you want to create a new variable, click in the create variable and like I'm creating here and write your name. So I'm creating here v and click press enter. So I'm created two variable a and b of a string type. If you want to change the type of the variable, so you can click here and change the type of the variable. So I'm here creating a string value. If you want to create an int value, uh, integer value, so click int 32. So I think you know about know the how to create a variable. If you want another way of creating a variable is select any activity and go to the property section and the result section. Here press click on the click on field and press Ctrl K and write the name of variable. So I'm enter here ABC. So it's showing the error because what is showing the error here is not declared. So I'm missing something because name is already here. So firstly you remove all the here the things from here, then press Ctrl K and write the name here ABC. So ABC already created, that's why it's showing. So if you have already created the variable, then only type here. So name type of variable is already created, so I'm here typing the name. So it's already showing here, so press the tab. So we also declare the variable from here. So I hope you understand the variables and how to create that. So I will show the one use case. I will run the program and show the use case. So this is my program. I will firstly I run and show you the program and then describe that. Here asking enter your name, enter your marks. I'm provided a 34 here. Raju is fail. This is the output. So why it's provided the Raju is fail? So let's describe the program what I'm doing here. So here I mentioned the input dialog box and there you there's entering the name of the user and here taking the value of marks of from the user and store in the variable. If you see here, I'm taking the input from users marks and storing in the marks variable as you see here, as you can see here. So in the above, I'm taking the name from the user and store in the name variable. So I have created two variable name and marks here. With that variable, I make some condition here. I'm using the if condition here. Marks greater than equal to 60, then what can we do? Assign. Here I'm using the assign activity. Here in the assign activity I created another variable, that is the result, and in the result variable I assign the value pass, and if this condition is true, then my result variable contains the pass value. If this condition is false, then go to the else section and assign the result value of result is fail. So I am provided in the 34. So that's why my output is showing here name, concatenation and result. So name is Raju, is result is fail. So that's it in this video. I hope you understand the variables. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.